Hi guys, welcome back to my animation, and today not animation. Today we're going to be watching the funniest and the silliest and the scariest and funny cat videos, which is what we're going to be looking at today. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I hope that I enjoy it. So let's see what content we have. Poor kitty. Is there a guy moving that hose? To be honest, I find these videos, like, I don't know if you guys find these videos funny. I find these videos partly funny, like AFB. Like, I think it's funny at the moment, but, like, it's kind of like, oh no!
Oh, Tiger
Kitty.
baby!
And then it's just like, nope. And then the dog's like, you're mine. What is this? Is that fish? Oh, so beautiful. Can I touch it? Just the words they put in it is so funny. Oh, I thought he was gonna touch it. Oh, just killed your. Oh, that little cat could be a babysitter, guys. Yeah, that could be a babysitter. That little cat could be a babysitter. Oh, what the? You just, oh, poor cat. Hopefully it's birthday. Happy birthday. Oh no. Little kitty down. SOS.
Can, huh?
Oh, we have a runner. Over. Oh. Show some more. Oh. Into the bush. Out of the bush. Oh. Okay, maybe we should help that kitty out. That one. We should go to Indeed Camp. I've seen this one before. This one's pretty funny. Could be your new way to go down the stairs. No. I mean, would you rather have your curtains ripped or your cat fall? Your choice. Oh. No, yeah, save the little kid. Save the kitties. Ooh. Ooh, that's the shape of a bad product, that kitty there. Bad products. Oh. Sharp it down. This one.
Hey!
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, the escape. The grand escape of the bubbles. The bubble. Oh. What the? Is that its eye? No. What is that doing? I think that kitty's just thirsty, man. We already saw this one. Okay, anyway, so that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and